Hi everyone! Petal is Blessed here. I'm coming on today with part 2 to my wedding centerpiece DIY that I'm doing. This is the flower arrangement part. So part 1 had these two lovely candle holders that I made in part 1. If you didn't see that video, I'll put the link to it in the description bar so you guys can check that video out also, how I made these two. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Petal is Blessed channel so you can come back and see lots more of the DIYs that I have to share with you guys. Yeah, alright, so let's get started in part 2 of this wedding centerpiece. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright, we have our candle holder. We have this box I got from Dollarama. And this is our bling wrap that we have here. And we're going to use these foams. And we have some white paint, the paintbrush, these flowers from the Dollar Tree. Our scissors and shears. And our bling. And our glue gun. Alright everyone. We're going to start by painting our little box that we have here with the white paint. We're going to paint all the sides and all around, and I'm going to do 2 coats and let it dry. And if he ain't blaming you, girl, you know you better give me, 'cause I'm waving. Now we're gonna take some bling wrap and measure it and put it around both sides and also in the center, right around the box. Go down, yeah, and I'm making my moves, yeah. Ooh, you know, yeah. Tell me when the lights go down, yeah, make my move. And now we're going to be adding our gems to the box. And now it's time to glue our candlestick to the bottom of the box to make our vase. Okay, now we're placing the foam inside the box, and we're going to cut and measure our flowers to make the arrangement. Need somebody that's gonna be there for you, that's me, you know I'm waving. Yeah, I'm waving, baby, you know I'm waving, you know I, baby, baby, I'm waving, you know I wave, baby, you know I. And here we go everyone, our centerpiece flower arrangement. I think it looks nice with the gems and the flowers on top. It could also be used on a bridal table, which is very nice also. I'm not trying to be a hater, but tell me why you stay with him. Yeah, baby girl, you great. Oh, baby girl, you straight. He don't know what he's got. I love how it looks with the gems and the bling wrap going all around. It gives it a nice extra appeal. I think it looks very nice. And if he ain't blaming you, girl, you know you better give me, 'cause I'm waving. And here's the complete wedding centerpiece set. I think it looks lovely. It would look beautiful on any wedding table. All right, everyone. I hope I've inspired you to do a nice arrangement for a wedding or a bridal shower. And thank you for coming on and seeing what I did for today. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe to Petal is Blessed channel. And please remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye-bye, everyone.